Christmas is over, and with that, our New Year goals. So if you want that thick, dry turkey breast, then tune in.
All my gang go hard in the gym. Push up, sit up. All my gang go hard in the gym. Chest press, chest press. All my gang go hard in the gym. Cardio, treadmill. All my gang go hard in the gym. Squats, squats. All my gang go hard in the gym.
チャンネル登録お願いね。
Okay, first we're gonna do a little warm up. Do a little shoulders rotation. 10 reps on each side, just to warm up the shoulders. As you can see, I'm sitting on a bench with my knees up, supporting my elbows and rotating. That should give your shoulders a good warm up. Next, we're going to move on to shoulder raises. Pick a light weight for yourself. 10 reps, just going to do one set. You'd either do this sitting down or standing up. It's going to be another warm up. A flat chest press, pick a light weight. Just get the blood pumping into your chest. Try not to flare out your elbows too much, focus on the chest. Alright, we're going to do slightly heavier, still warming up. I'm going to aim for good 10 reps. Again, don't flare out your elbows, keep it tight. Right, it's time for the main event. We're going to start off with heavy flat chest press. You need to pick a weight where you can do around 10, and this is the failure. What I'm doing here is 3 sets of failures, consisting around 8 to 10 reps. Remember, stabilize yourself, kick up the weight if you need to, and have either side of you free just in case you want to throw the weights. Don't throw it too far. Slowly lay it down. For your chest, there's 3 main parts: the upper, mid and lower. With the flat, you are aiming at targeting the mid and the lower. On the last few reps, you may slow down, but keep pushing. After that, I want you to move on to incline press. This mainly targets the upper chest. Pick a weight where you can do 10 reps. Again, all the main exercises from here on are 3 sets of failures. Incline is going to be a little bit harder than flat. Time for the pump cover to come off. I'm not sure why fitness influencers do this. I'm gonna do the same. Well, I guess you can see the muscles working. Alright, last set. Let's get it. I think the one main reason why people don't stick to their goals in the new year, especially for fitness, is that they think too far into the future. You don't need to do that. Just take it day by day and don't make excuses for not going. It's all about consistency. Alright, next, I'm going to do the chest flies. I'm going to angle it downwards. It's going to target the lower and the mid. I want you to feel the full stretch when you're going up and pump it down. This is to failure as well, 3 sets. And all these motions here, I want you to control the weight. Don't let the weight control you. No? Last set. Okay, after that, it's going to be chest flies again, but we're going to angle it upwards this time. Really target the middle and the upper. Try to keep your elbows, your forearms to your arms at 90 degrees. You're not working up your biceps there. Try to target your pecs. Try to keep that in a fixed position. You should feel it. 2 more sets and we're done. Gym sessions doesn't need to be that long. No. My sessions are normally about 40 to 50 minutes, give or take, depending on what's available, depending on how packed out the gym is. There you go, last set. That's it for me. Alright, see you guys next time. You know what to do. Like, comment and subscribe.